everyone. Welcome to Leo's workshop. We are unlike any other school in Pakistan. We are an innovative and modern micro school and have learners from nursery to year 5 grouped together in mixed age classrooms, learning how the world works through project-based learning. At Leo's workshop, the interdisciplinary curriculum and project-based approach facilitates children in connecting their knowledge with real-life situations. Our aim is to help children become future problem solvers and self-directed learners who test theories through hands-on experiments and collaborate not only with their peers but also with the world outside. We design student-centered learning experiences stemming from their own questions and interests, facilitating them to lead their own inquiry processes. All our facilitators are highly trained and expert in their departments and deeply committed to ensuring authentic learning in their classrooms.